guys, we're just gonna hop right into the tutorial. I'm starting off with an old wash and go, but you can start with any old hairstyle. This is perfect for when you're on the go and don't really know what to do with your hair. I'm just going to start by parting out my hair from ear to ear, and then I'm going to gather the back section of my hair and make sure I have everything together. And I'm going to grab a hair tie, make sure it's the one without the metal, and I'm just going to place my hair into a loose bun. Then I'm just going to grab my Hergivenhair U-part wig, and I'm going to place that on the back of my hair, making sure to secure my hair, and grabbing some bobby pins if needed to make sure it's really secure. I'm starting off with grabbing the Talia Wajid leave-in conditioner, and this is a great conditioner to leave my hair soft and moisturized, so I'm just going to spray that on my leave out. I'm going to make sure my leave out is fully moisturized by just working it in. Then I'm going to grab some almond oil, and I'm going to grab a nice amount, and I'm just going to rub that against my edges as well. This will make sure my edges are moisturized. And then I'm going to grab Eco Styler gel. I'm just going to work this into my edges as well. I like to moisturize and oil my edges before applying gel, just to make sure that I eliminate any type of breakage. So I'm just going to add this gel in and work it in, and then I'm going to grab my Cream of Nature Perfect Edges, and this will just make sure my edges are really nice and sleek. Once you smooth and slick your edges down, you're just going to gather your hair and a little bit of the wig so that way the tracks don't show. And I think that just grabbing just the middle section of the wig will do just fine. You don't have to grab the sides because the sides might bulge out a little bit. So I just grabbed the top section. I'm just going to secure it and put it into a nice full bun. Feel free to grab some bobby pins and just neaten up the bun just to make it a little bit more secure. Alright, and then you're just going to get your edges. Make sure you brush those things out and get those edges right and tight. So I'm just going to grab the perfect edges and smooth down the edges. And this is really the final look. It took no time to do this hairstyle. This is definitely a easy, on-the-go protective style. You could just hop on, put on the wig, and head out the door. I also want to show you my quick nighttime routine. I'm just going to grab this Hergivenhair headband, and as you can see, it has a stretchy head area and it has satin on the inside, so it will leave your hair soft and moisturized. I just put that over my hair and then I just tuck it in, and boom, I'm ready for bed. Alright, don't forget to find out all information about Hergivenhair in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.